on this video I want to do the unboxing of my new order at Sephora.com. Let's go! So I already pre-cut it, but my emotion is real. It's really the first time I open it. So we have some samples, and the principal one is the Oat Cleansing Balm from Inkey list. I bought it for the first time in store, and I really like it because it's like really natural. It's like honey or like butter. It's like really for the moisturizing of the face, and it's cleaning at the same time. So you have for normal and sensitive skin at the same time, and the cost is really lower. It's like $9.99, like $10.50 with the taxes. So I really recommend you this product. It's for like 2 months. You have 5 FLOs inside, or 150 milliliters, and yeah, so this is really a good product, and yeah, hopefully you will order it. I really recommend you. You will not take really risk compared to the price. Yeah. So you have it like that. So it's really a big one, you know, and you have all the recommendations on the back for what's the effect of this product, because you have a serial of products from them. So this one is for clean or like a mask, and yeah, I like the texture. Is really like super soft. So I'll show you. I don't know if you can see, but it's really like honey or butter. It's like yellow, and it's really greasy, so that's really good. You stay with that just 10 minutes on the face, and you remove it just with water, and it's staying like a protection on the face. You don't even need to put moisturizer sometimes. Up to you, depend if you go outside or not. So I do the mask balm every night, like just 10 minutes, and yeah. So it's a really good product, cheap and with good effect. And on the website you can see they have the recommendation with the stamp in red color, allure, the best of the products with good effect, and the price not really too pricey, you know. So yeah, so if you can try to do it, do it. So thank you like always to watch our videos on the channel of Carlo&Seb on YouTube, and yeah, hopefully you will see us for a new video, and thank you again. Bye bye.